The Civil Engineering Works Department of DOTT Services Company has the capacity to set up irrigation projects, and recent works include the Rakai and Agoro Irrigation schemes. The main engineering works at these schemes included construction of the dam, site area, and desilting the basin. This helps in separating sand and other debris from the needed water. The dam also has downstream and upstream wing walls, which act as barriers that prevent water from flowing to waste. The wall structure constituted 90% of the civil works and 5% soil.
Come from the other end, coming this way. So if you want water to go to the dams, so you are going to open the inlet pipes. There, down there, we have the inlet pipe. So you close the outlet pipe.
To keep the walls strong, steel rods were used.
The scheme is meant for irrigation of 600 hectares of the farmland. We have been contracted by Directorate of Water Development. This project has been successfully completed. The project is of the nature which taps water from a river.
The Agoro Irrigation scheme also has cattle watering troughs to be used by the animals which are hit hard during dry spells. In order to maintain a steady water supply, tertiary and secondary canals were constructed in the garden. Over 80 regular and turnout gates were created to regulate water along the canals. In dry spells, the water volume drops. The design included the 4.01 meter deep storage reservoirs.
Is there a fish now inside there?
Yes.
They are protected by filling and forming embankments held by clay liner material. From the reservoir, a pipe was placed to bring water into and out of the canals.
The reservoir is it has huge capacity. It serves as a night reservoir or for the dry season. Whenever there is a little water in the river, the fields can be fed from the reservoir. Now, after successful completion, the farmers are able to farm the land about 600 hectares through this irrigation project.
DOTT Services fabricated steel pipes measuring up to 400,000 and 600 meters in diameter before they were laid down. The steel plates were acquired from India and were fabricated on site in Agoro.
So there is a lot of scope and potential in Uganda for such projects. It taps water through a gravity scheme and feeds for the farmers through drip irrigation.
Since the scheme needs routine maintenance and management, 5 houses were constructed to host local staff who would oversee the operation of the irrigation scheme. DOTT Services is also executing similar projects in Kampala and other parts of the country.
In the beginning, we started with supplying water to small towns under Directorate of Water Development. From that experience, we have won several contracts with the trust what ministry has on DOTT Services. They awarded a lot of other contracts in that sector, and all of them we have successfully completed, especially in water supply. After that, we have also entered into construction of sewerage system in different towns. The first town where we did under European Union funded is Hoima.